So I had an issue with the firing pin on this Thompson Center Impact SB. It was sticking. The firing pin was just protruding out, and I went to go shoot it, and I couldn't close the action because it would hit the primer. So I was like, what is going on? So what I did is actually just kind of took it apart. It's just unbolts, just Allen bolts. Just take it all down to this. Is really fast, self-explanatory. And I just worked that lubed it with WD-40, and I just like what I did is I pushed the firing pin back because it was stuck out. Pushed it back with the punch. Actually, it was stuck like really good, so I'd actually had to tap it with the hammer. And so I'd lube it, put some WD-40 in there, and just lube both sides and just work it back and forth. Pull the trigger, it would pop out, and then push it back and just keep on working it until it freed up. So, and now it's free. So yeah, I was almost gonna send it back, but yeah, just had to free it up. I don't know why it's stuck. Just didn't use it for a while, but it's fixed. So to take it apart, we just got here, one there, 3, 4, and it just comes out. And then you just gotta watch the part that holds this hood on. There's a pin, so just watch out that you don't lose it, because it'll just fall out. And the spring part that makes this retract, it goes, there's like a needle, little pin thing, it goes into the stock. You'll see when you take it apart. But yeah, pretty self-explanatory. And yeah, I thought I was gonna have to send this out, but quick fix, just had to lube it.